to address multiple challenges, including limited urban space, stringent environmental and safety regulations, and the need for higher efficiency. It integrates a series of forward-thinking designs. It's pushing the employer-side exit configuration, which optimizes space utilization and simplifies cable connections, thereby enhancing the safety and convenience of installation and maintenance. It is filled with environmentally friendly FR3 natural ester insulating fluid, which significantly elevates the equipment's fire safety rating thanks to a fire point of up to 360 C, while its biodegradable nature completely eliminates the risk of persistent environmental contamination. In terms of energy efficiency, it strictly adheres to the rigorous U.S. Department of Energy DOE standards, achieving minimized null, load, and load losses.